Right from the start, this isn't just a probation review, it's a ticking time bomb. Tina Kaufman has a history that would make any judge nervous. Stick around, because the stakes are about to skyrocket.
Understand. The defendant was here today for a probation review with a probation officer, Autumn Kiefer. Autumn smelled alcohol, gave the defendant a breath test, and the result was .087.
Correct, at 9:40 a.m.
And she drove here. So it is a condition of her probation that I'll just read it the way it's in the order. She was sentenced to 93 days, credit 91 days to serve, and I deferred a few. So she has 88 jail days hanging over her head. It is a condition of her probation that she take a test upon demand of any police or probation officer. Refusing a test, missing a test, or a positive test will cause an immediate 1-day jail term and whether potential probation violation consequence. So the defendant got arrested on May 26th, which resulted in this conviction, May 26th of 24. She was in a crash and her blood alcohol was .294. She got arrested again on August 7th for drunk driving and file number 241471 SD. Her blood alcohol at that time was .244. She was on bond on the earlier case when she got arrested on the second case. Prosecutor dismissed the second case. It was a freebie, and she was placed on probation on this case under the theory that she would be a great sobriety court candidate. However, she moved to Indiana, and we were unable to place her in our sobriety court program because she resides in Indiana. She was placed on a traditional probation. She got arrested for drunk driving again on June 19th in LaGrange County, Indiana.
Here's the critical
As
part.
an arraignment in LaGrange County, Indiana on June 30th. So
This
she
isn't
is
just
a
violation,
danger to the
it triggers an
public.
immediate legal consequence under her probation terms. One sip over the limit
I
could
don't know
mean
what her
jail.
blood alcohol was. She has a
The law doesn't
terrible
mess around.
alcohol. Indiana has an arraignment in LaGrange County, Indiana on June 30th. So she is a danger to the public. I don't know what her blood alcohol was. She has a terrible alcohol substance abuse disorder, and she continues to drive. And this is dangerous. Plus, she's legally intoxicated right now, so I can't really even do anything. So I'm going to find a contempt and probation violation. And it's going to be taken into custody, and we'll address this tomorrow when she's sober. Further, can't really do anything when the person's legally drunk to try to make a record or talk. We need to wait till you're sober. About 9 o'clock tomorrow, I'll give you an order. Violation of probation. I don't want to make sure she doesn't get out before tomorrow. Or 2 days jail, credit 0. 2 days to serve. Further hearing 6/25/25 at 9 a.m. Ms. Kaufman, do you have pets?
I do.
What do you have?
I have 2 little Pomeranians.
You might want to find somebody to take care of your animals. All right, you're going to jail. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. when you're not at .08, and we'll talk further about this.
John, I'm sure there's protocols at the jail, but just to put everybody on alert, I am concerned about the possibility of some withdrawal issues in the next 24 hours. So if that can be noted or something, make sure that we...
Notice the pattern here: multiple arrests, repeated drunk driving, and now she's back in court. This isn't casual drinking. It's escalating, dangerous behavior. The judge isn't being dramatic, he's assessing public safety risk in real time.
Keep an eye out
All
for it.
right, we'll do that. Michelle's in agreement. Also, you're gonna be referred for a new criminal investigation for driving to court while intoxicated. You also are a daily marijuana user. I don't know if you've got marijuana in your system as well or not. But we can't keep going this way. You're gonna kill somebody or yourself or both. So I'll talk with you tomorrow. All right. Thank you, Mr. Stickler.
Sir, PV and contempt?
Yes. All right, that's a very sad situation. That's a